Hello there, this is Anwar Hussain, and in this tutorial we will learn how to record bad debt in QuickBooks Online. So let's begin. There are three ways to record bad debt in QuickBooks Online. In first method, we will use Write Invoices tool, then we will use journal entry, and at last we will use credit note to record bad debt. Let's say in our dashboard, customer dashboard, we have a customer named Colin Minis, and he has two open invoices. One is 180 and another is 360 pounds. Let's say 180 is a bad debt. We will record this invoice as a bad debt. For that, we will use a tool that is called Write Off Invoices. To find that tool, we will go accountant tools to tool option, and over there we will find Write Off Invoices option. Just click that option, and here we found some invoices. Over there we just find the Collins Minis, that is number 2 invoices. We just click the checkbox and find Write Off option, and now we can click over there. But there is a problem. There is a big problem. See, just over the Write Off option there is a checkbox. There is a notice actually that said, please be aware that is not yet automatically adjusted when using this feature. So we can use this feature safely when your client is not VAT registered, or here is an invoice where there is no VAT included. Otherwise, you should not use this tool to record bad debt. Now we will use second option of record bad debt. For that, we will go from new to journal entry. There we will write bad debt, and in the amount box we will put 150, that is net amount. Why? Because we put net amount as we can add VAT over there, include VAT over there, and in the VAT option we will select 20% standards VAT on sales, and then we will select dator, and the amount would be 180. Now save and close. Now if we look at Colin Means dashboard, we will see, as we saw earlier, that there is 180 and 366 amounts to invoice open. As we will going to see how to record bad debt by using credit note. For that, we will go new transaction, then credit note. There we have to create a new product or service, actually service, in service option, that's name bad debt write off. We will attach this with the service, and then we'll copy the name bad debt service and put in description. In income account, we will write bad debt or select bad debt. Then on VAT, we will select 20% standard on sales VAT rate. Then save and close. After that, we will fix the amount of VAT that is inclusive and put rate 180. Then save and close. Now, if we look at the Collins dashboard, we will see invoice, balance, invoice and a credit note. Both are 180. Now it's time to allocate the credit note against the invoice. For that, we will click receive payment on invoice option. Then we will make sure that invoice and the credit note checkbox is clicked or tick mark. Then just save and close, and back to the Collins dashboard. We see invoice and credit note both balance are 0 because they are allocated each other. Thanks for watching.